Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and today's video is gonna be my fall Walmart beauty box. Alright beauties, if you are unfamiliar with the Walmart beauty box, this is a $5 seasonal or quarterly beauty box. And we tend to get kind of sample sizes, try me sizes. Occasionally we do get some full size items. I've gotten hair color, things like that. But it's pretty much kind of the latest, greatest at Walmart / the drugstore, if you will. They're notoriously late. Aside from that, I feel like I get my $5 worth. Before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like what you see. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified of future uploads. I will quickly apologize about my voice as well. I've been extremely under the weather. I'm not feeling so hot, but I do apologize about that. We're going to dive in and we'll make this a short and sweet one. A lot of people don't know about the Walmart beauty box. It's one of my favorites, you guys. Seriously, for $5. Like I said, I've gotten full-size items. I've gotten mascaras, lipsticks. I've gotten hair color, full-size hair colors. So first up, you see a little card. It will tell us inside what we have. Of course, we'll wait on that. I already am blown away because I see a freaking Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion Humidity Shield. You guys, full-size product. Walmart Beauty, you are doing it up, honey, even though you're late every single time. I will 100% use this. Caleb, of course, will use this. So that is super cool. We are already starting off on the right foot and well worth already the $5 that we paid for our box. Next up, I see another full-size product and a product that I really like for a gloss. It's a full-size NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cranberry Pie. That is absolutely gorgeous and, of course, perfect for the fall season. Next up, there is a mini of the Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience Protein and Lipids Lotion for aging and mature skin. That's a mouthful. I will use this. I also usually give these kind of things to Brett. He does work outdoors and he gets very, very dry hands. They crack, they'll bleed and stuff like that in the wintertime. So I will pass that along to him. Very exciting box, you guys. Next up is a Found Clarifying Red Clay Sheet Mask. And then our final product in the box is also something I love. It is one of my holy grails. It is the Bausch & Lomb Lumify Eye Drops. I have raved about these for over a year. I love them. I have one right here when I do my makeup and stuff. I put my drops in. I also have one on my nightstand for before I go to sleep. So very exciting. I love this box. I mean, you guys, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Okay. So let me get the box out of the way. And it tells you in here all the information about the products. You can also go online and do a survey to win a $100 Walmart gift card. So this says, explore our latest collection of must-try beauty inspired by the season of transitions. Shop these products and find ingredient information at walmart.com/thebeautybox. The Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience. See radiant skin even in cool weather. Formulated with 7 plumping moisturizers, this lotion has 3 vitamins, proteins, and lipids to help replenish your skin's texture and moisture. The full size of that would be $9.48. The Lumify Redness Relieving Eye Drops. I love these, you guys. They're $12, but my gosh, they're worth it, okay? Reveal your eyes' natural beauty with Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops from Bausch & Lomb. Lumify reduces redness in just 1 minute to help your eyes look whiter and brighter. The full size is $11.97. The Found Assorted Sheet Mask. So we could have gotten a mixture of different ones. Prep your skin for cool temps with natural botanicals known for their healing properties. These sheet masks solve issues while nurturing the skin to enhance body and mind. Receive 1 and they are $1.98. The Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Lotion. Go curly for a natural look this season. This lightweight, non-sticky formula bonds strands to create maximum definition while leaving your curls bouncy and soft to the touch. This is a full size and it is $7. And then the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. This buttery, soft, silky, smooth gloss delivers sheer to medium coverage in fabulous fall shades. Never sticky and always supple. It stays put and will not feather. Receive 1 and the full size is $4.97. They also show that you could have gotten a Collab Unicorn Dry Shampoo or a Dickinson's Alcohol-Free Balancing Toner. So I will show you guys that. So again, for $5, I preach this all the time, you guys, with like the Ipsy and the BOXYCHARM. I feel like getting these types of subscription boxes is a fantastic way, I think, especially if you're newer to makeup, beauty, etc. But it's a fantastic way to really sample so many different brands for not a lot of money. Then if you find a product that you really, really love, then it's worth investing kind of the full price for. So I'm blown away. I'm very excited. I'm really excited to try this. I'm excited for Caleb to try this. The poor kid has got very curly, very thick hair. But yeah, I'm very excited about this. It's free from sulfates, SLS, parabens, phthalates. So I'm pretty sure this would probably be curly girl friendly as well. If you're somebody that is on that curly girl journey, then this might be perfect for you. So that is it. Very exciting. What did you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.